In today's video, I'm making a 3-ingredient cookie that tastes just like brownies. These are delicious. They come together quick. I hope you give this one a try. I like to start out using my scale. Today I'm using the Hershey's cocoa, and I'm going to need 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon or 35 grams. Now onto the powdered sugar being the second ingredient. I am going to use 1.5 cups of this or 175 grams. Then you just want to get your whisk and give that a good mix. You want it well blended. Now, if your eggs are large, you'll just need 2. You need the egg whites. I am using 3 because these eggs are pretty small. And now you just want to add in the egg whites and mix it up really well. Using this will get the job done a little quicker. That looks great. Now I'm just going to scrape the sides. And now I'm going to put it in my freezer for a half hour, or you can put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. I found that this worked best with 2 spoons. I'm doing about a teaspoonful, and they do spread, and so you don't want to do too much bigger than that. And I'm going to fill this pan up and get them in the oven. The oven will be set at 370 degrees for between 15 and 18 minutes. I decided to keep peeking into the oven just so you could see how they change as they are cooking. Once they get split on the top a little bit more than this, they will be ready. This looks just perfect the way they have cracked, just like this. So I'm going to pull this pan out and let them cool for a few minutes, and then I'll transfer them to the rack. These cookies taste just like brownies without all the other ingredients. And I think with kids around, it would be nice just where they could just come and grab a cookie instead of trying to get a brownie out of the pan. These are gooey inside. They are so delicious. Take a look at the inside of this cookie. If you enjoyed this video today, I hope you hit the like button and consider subscribing. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And at the end of my video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them.